In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Apps. Then scroll down to access cloned apps and tap on plus icon next to the one that's available that you wish to clone. Then hit Create. So now when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on bin icon next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!